Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. My producer editor Sophie is right there staring at me. She's also my dog, if this is your first time here. And as she edits the video, she likes to make fun of me. So if you see any text going across the screen making fun of me, those come from Sophie. Today I actually am going to make something. I had Sophie pick this out. We're gonna make a Disney 100 Princess Blondie Kit. So this is a kit to make blondies, and it's princess themed. Like I said, Sophie did pick this out. I wanted a different one. I actually wanted the Olaf. There's an Olaf hot chocolate mix, but Sophie wanted this one, so we'll see. And I do like blondies. I've tried some of these kits in the past. They're usually not great, but I always like to give, different ones a try just to see if they're any better. So we'll find out. If not, I'll just blame Sophie. So let's get to it. All right, it is now time to try these. They actually don't look terrible. I think my teeth are gonna be purple after this though. You know what? I gotta admit, not very good. I just have to be dead honest now. Not very good. It's kind of flavorless. I mean, it sort of tastes like a Blondie, but the cream on top really has no flavor. But you know, if you want to make these with your kids, it'll be super fun. They'll like doing that. They'll like to decorate it. But for me, honestly, this is maybe like a 3. It's sadly not not very good. It's truly has no taste. What a shame. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me, like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. Sophie, what the heck? You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. You can hit the like button because that really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can also leave a comment if you'd like to see me make anything or go anywhere. I can attempt that, the key word being attempt. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.